Hi, my name is Laura, and I am very new to the Real Advisors, whole program. And coming in, I had a little skepticism because I wasn't sure how this would work out. I mean, I was always interested in real estate, but I always also thought that you needed a lot of like capital in order to do this type of business. So, living paycheck to paycheck, you never really have extra money to use towards what you really want to do. So, after my first day training, I have left the skepticism. I'm not skeptical about it anymore because everything's been like breaking down into how this business really works, which I had no clue about because I have never done it before. But you actually don't need any capital really to get started and actually make deals happen. um, I really think this is going to be the niche for me. Like,
Would you recommend this training to anyone?
yes, I do recommend it to anyone that's interested within the real estate because there is a lot of scam out there and you just have to be careful who dealing with. You have to do your research. And it's funny how I found Dolmar because I was actually almost about to get involved with probably some scammers. And then I just kept searching through social media and stuff. I'm like, I gotta find someone that's legit. Where can I find it? So then here comes the Hollywood Unlocked, and there was a picture of him and his wife. So it interested me because it was the real estate. So I read his whole post, followed him on Instagram, started going through his stuff, and I'm like, okay, well, he sounds very legit. So then I believe I DM'd him, and then he sent me his website to like register and stuff for the first free training, and I went ahead and did that. So then once I did the free training, that's when he, explained how he had this workshop going on and stuff like that. And I didn't even think twice about it. I just went ahead and did it. I'm like, oh, I have to take this workshop.
Do you
Like,
think
I
it
don't
was worth
care.
the investment?
Yes, because I'm currently unemployed. I actually lost my job during this whole COVID pandemic thing. I was working as a biller from home, but since, business went down, there wasn't really any much work, and they laid off a lot of people, and I was one of them. So now I'm like, this barely happened to me like in the end of April. So then I barely started getting unemployment. So I'm like, I'm going to use my unemployment towards that because I cannot be sitting around waiting to see if I'm going to get my job back, you know? And at the end of the day, I'm kind of tired of working for someone else to help them build their empire. I want to work for myself and build mine. So yeah, I think I definitely found what I was looking for.